Hi everyone, good morning. This is Mai Ponesto, licensed financial advisor and executive unit manager of ProLife UK. And so I have good news po no for those na may mga parents na hindi pa rin insured and at the same time senior na. Ayan, so pwedeng-pwede na po natin silang kuhanan ng insurance without medical exam or medical test. Ayan, basta given lang po na no health declaration, ibig sabihin wala pa silang maintenance, healthy pa naman po sila. So with my NMA as an exclusive financial advisor, so pwedeng-pwede na po natin silang i-insure nang hindi na kailangan mag-medical. So take note po, hindi lahat ng financial advisor ay merong privilege na ganito. Ayan, so normally, no, regularly, no, pagka senior na, kailangan po talaga ay medical pa rin. Okay, kahit healthy. Pero, okay, kung magre-reach out kayo sa akin, no, and then papagawan nyo ng proposal ang inyong parents, and then i-apply natin, okay, within this month, so no need na po to undergo medical test. Ayan, so message na po kayo para ma-assist ko kayo with the proposal for your parents. So, iba pa rin po kung insured sila, lalo na kung kayo pa rin naman, 'di ba? Ang aasahan nila, if something happen na magkasakit man or yung mga unexpected event, ikaw pa rin naman ang mag-shoulder. So, why not i-insure natin sila? So, yun lang po. Message me.